The company halted, and Sir Reginald announced, "Set up camp early this night and head off at dawn the next morn." They all knew it to be best, and Lady Elizabeth was glad of a change from walking through the snow all day. "Achoo! Achoo!" she sneezed, burying her face in her handkerchief and trying to keep herself quiet so as not to be noticed. "Lady Elizabeth?" Sir Peter asked, dismounting on his own. "Are you all right?" She blew her nose and nodded. "Aye, I'm well, thank you. Yourself, sir?" He looked at her with suspicious eyes. "You're not coming down with a cold, are you?" She shook her head. "Nay, Sir Peter, no need to worry over me." He nodded. "Then take up my supplies and—" "Achoo! Achoo!" Sighing. You are ill, aren't you?" he asked, taking the bags from her and looking on her with pity. "Nay, achoo! I'm fine, achoo!" She felt her forehead with his hand. He felt her forehead with his hand, and she jumped back at his touch, not wanting him to discover the truth. "I tell you that I'm achoo! Achoo! Fine. You've caught a cold, Lady Elizabeth. I don't want you trying to deny it." Sorry. Tissue break. And I've been holding back the chinkney too well, so I'm gonna sniff some more. I love cold denial. I love the stories. Okay, where was I? "You've caught a cold, Lady Elizabeth. I don't want you trying to deny it." Elizabeth nodded woefully and sneezed into her handkerchief, the cold air around her stinging her runny nose and making her shiver. He took off his cloak and wrapped it around his sneezing squire. "There, squire. We'll switch roles. We'll switch roles for a while, eh? I'll take care of you." Sorry. 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 Hold on. We're 8 minutes in and I haven't even finished the first page.